Hello folks, this is Anthony with Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts on Facebook and YouTube. Here's the blizzard that everybody's been talking about for the last week or so. Yesterday we were supposed to get 5 to 8 inches. Last night we were supposed to get 8 to 12 inches. This is at the Lake Tahoe level, about 6,000 feet. I woke up this morning, looks like we got about, well, not 2 feet. Looks like we got about 2 inches. So this is typical of the weather forecasts up here. I think they hype them up to get the skiers up for the weekends. Here's my 1132. I was expecting, 3 or 4 feet. So I brought out the big boy, and I've also has my 624. I gotta do the deck. I don't want my dogs to I don't want my dogs to get buried in this. It's 2 inches, so I'm gonna have to do the deck. It's snowing right now, so since I got up, it looks like we might have got another inch. Let me let me look at the driveway. Here's my wall of fame. All the Hondas that I've built over the years. I show it in another video. Uh-oh, here's the driveway. It might be 3 inches now. The wind is really picking up too. I mean, if you look at the trees, you got all kinds of snow on the trees, and yeah, it looks like about 3 inches so far. Let's go out in the street. Maybe 4 inches. So instead of 2 feet between yesterday and last night, this is what we got. About 4 inches. But on the other hand, isn't it pretty? On the other hand, we're supposed to get 12 plus inches today and 8 to 12 tonight and another 8 to 12 tomorrow. So maybe this is a storm that's moving in slowly, and we're going to hopefully we'll get slammed. They were talking 4 to 6 feet at lake level for the weekend, and another 5 to 10 feet, 6 to 10 feet, 12 feet up in the upper elevations. So we shall see, folks. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll update this as we go along this weekend. Thank you.